How to install a mulching blade on a John Deere mower. Mulching blades are attached to mowers the same way as normal cutting blades. Mulching blades are most commonly used to chew up leaves on the lawn. However, they will also finely cut grass and tend to do so with a more even appearance. If you're going to use mulching blades to cut your grass, make sure that the grass is dry and that you are not cutting off more than 1/3 of the height of the grass. Things you'll need: wrenches. Lift the mower deck up to the transport position. Drive the John Deere lawn mower to a flat, level area. Unscrew and remove the cap screws from the blade. Slide the cutting blade off the blade mount. Place the mulching blade onto the blade adapter. Make sure that the two small holes of the mulching blade line up with the bushings. Screw the cap screws back into place. Use a wrench to make sure they are tight. If your mower deck has more than one blade, replace all the blades at the same time.